Sant'Aniol de Finestres is located at 415 meters above sea level on the right side of Llémena stream. The town was built around Sant'Aniol Church, documented from 922. So it is a Romanesque church with only one nave, although it has suffered a lot of reforms. It maintains a semicircular apse. In the north and in the south of the structure, some constructions were added with lateral chapels, one of them dedicated to Saint Lucia. In the west, the bell tower rises. In 1997, after some reforms in the presbytery, an exceptional clue was found that revealed the town's historic origin. It was a mosaic from the Roman period that allowed to date the structure. It was from the 2nd century to the 1st century before Christ. It seems they were the ruins of a small temple, maybe dedicated to the nymphs and the maids that lived in the forest and in the water. One of the origins of Sant'Aniol is the old town of Finestres at 880 meters in the Finestres range. Its origins are linked to Finestres Castle and Santa Maria de Finestres Church, consecrated in 947 by the Bishop of Girona, Gotmar. This church is located less than 5 kilometers from Sant'Aniol and in a forest pathway that reaches Mieres, but which it is only possible to cross on foot. It is a Romanesque temple with one nave, much rebuilt because it suffered the earthquakes in 1427 and in 1428. The temple, enlarged in 1779 and in 1813, nowadays is closed, although every year there is a celebration in Roser Saintstein, the Sunday after Pentecost. A little bit to the north, on the pathway from Sant'Aniol to Santa Pau, at 960 meters, we can find the ruins of Finestres Castle. This fortress is documented from 947, and it is known that it was very small, made in the rocks, and it occupied all the mountain platforms surrounded by cliffs. The castle was destroyed by the earthquakes in the 15th century. Nowadays, we can just see the remains of a tank and some steps attached to the rock that allow people to climb the ruins. In the mountains to the east of Sant'Aniol de Finestres, there is another Romanesque church, the Church of San Miquel de Bustins. It is a small building with only one nave and a semicircular apse with a central window, 2 lateral windows, and a chair bell tower with double opening. But the Romanesque period was very active in the mountains that surround this town. In Medes neighborhood, at the headwaters of Llémena stream, we can also find the ruins of the Romanesque church of Sant Joan de les Medes, in addition to the one in Sant Julià. Another Romanesque building and another church dedicated to Sant Julià that was modified later on.